Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we can show you the processing of our LSA Law 3 bin 140 liter. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For the first step, you require parts A and parts B. Let's assemble now. For the next step, you require two part number 4s, the screw, and a Phillips screwdriver. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For the next step, you require two parts number 4, the screws, and a Phillips screwdriver. Let's go ahead and assemble now. In this step, at the bottom of the laundry basket, you see that there's 4 part number 4 screws. You can replace them with part number 5 to make this item freestanding, but for this video, we'll be using the wheels. Thank you. Next step, you'll require parts 1, parts 2, and parts number 7, the spanner. Let's assemble now. For the next step, you require part C. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For the next step, we require parts 3 and parts D. Let's assemble now. Thank you for watching the process survey of our LSA Law 3 bin 140 liter. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.